Mom! Ay, wena. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi awunizi uketela ufuna siyicima kanjani kanti? Wake up and make it pop. Come. Mom, I'm awake, Mom. Hayibo, it's your turn today. My hands are tired. I've been cooking since from 1990. Tabo, my helper doesn't help. Come here, my son. Yeah, Tabo. I said come here before I sever you in this pot. Mom, chill. Who I am? Huh? I told you that I will be a best chef. Huh? Yeah, Tabo the Bobo. I was watching a YouTube video how to make a pot in 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Imagine, 2 minutes. What can you wear? Even noodles need 3 minutes. Show me your phone. Give me that phone. What can you wear? Oh, Mom, that was what for? That for being born lazy. Come, show me your skill. It's the shortcut. Isa! Mom, my arms are already tired. Can we just order a pack delivery? Pack delivery? What must the driver say? Eh? Let's pay me. Mom! Mom, this is an abuse. The only thing I'm abusing right now is my patience. Wait. Did you just put my pap in the microwave? Ma. Oh, you are dating while my pap is burning there. Our mom can come and join the challenge of Magumba. Magumba challenge, wana. Eh? Magumba challenge. Okay, I accept the challenge. Oh, Mom! Mom! Stop that. You end the challenge. I'm winning, Mom. Masipa we. Ha!
Kuna Magumba. Yahweh.